Following the commissioning of the revamped Edo Traffic Management Agency, otherwise known as ETSMA, Viewpoint is sampling expectations from residents in Benin City. I am Ifoma Igwe. Good morning.
That statement should go a long way, to equate to the kind of persons that they employed to run that ETSMA. Before now, we all know that the ETSMA in Benin under the past administration, they crossed lines. They went to the extreme, to the point that even vehicles who didn't even beat traffic, you see them barging into people's vehicles, causing 1 or 2 accidents on the road. And what's surprised me mostly is when even the bus drivers, when they park wrongly, they leave them. But because it's just see 1 or 2 private cars who are just moving on their own, they just all of a sudden you just see them barging into their cars and causing nuisance. But hopefully, the truth is that the present administration under Mr. Godwin Obaseki, I must give it to him. The guy is trying. He's a man that have vision for the state. My hope is that the people that have been employed, should be able to emulate from his vision, should be able to emulate from his character.
We are expecting them to do the right thing, because the last government, Oshiomhole government, the police when put there that time, they were corrupt, they were doing nonsense. But the way the Obaseki started now, it started well. You should make sure he set up monitoring committee to monitor them, so that they will not do the wrong thing.
First, I want to congratulate His Excellency, the Governor of the state, because I believe that, as it were, governance is a continuum, and coming up, you use the word revamp, and it's important. I think that's one of the strongest and latest words we get from the social media today: update, upgrade, and things like that. It was there before, and he came in to revamp it. And my advice, my word for these officers is to do this work unbiased, go straight, because the way it is right now, if it work and people have free flow of their vehicles and their work on the highway. So I really want to encourage them to do the work. We want to see the difficult, of course, will be for let me use the church language, be for the glory of Edo people.
We don't want them to be disturbing people like that. They need to do a very good job, so that when people will be seeing them, we will be happy. Not that they will be intimidating people like the one like the Oshiomhole bring before.
Godwin Obaseki in administration should advise them not to be so misbehaviors to like the former Oshiomhole policy on the poor citizens of Edo State, because at this moment there are a lot of suffering in Edo State, not only Edo State, in Nigeria. So we don't want a kind of ETSMA that will be exploiting the poor masses just to give to the state government. We need those ones that will show good constitutional example to the people, because the masses need a proper governance that will lead the people to a true governance and factual government.
Bring sanity to especially the traffic problems in the state, which has been becoming so unbearable. We'll be creating a lot of mishaps and disorderliness. Apart from that, we equally need more, but for now, I believe the government has done so well. I just pray that it doesn't turn out to be the former experience we had in the previous government, where corruption now set in and they were no longer composed in their various duty posts.
give kudos to the governor of Edo State, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, in bringing this new SMAS police. In fact, the people have been suffering in the hands of touts in the past, and today this police has come into place, so they should ensure that they have to give a good example compared to that of the Oshomole-led police in the state who were extorting money from the public. So the governor should ensure that these people have to do well, and those who are caught in terms of exploiting money from the people should be show the way out from the job instead of keeping them there. The traffic should be well managed. The traffic situation should be well managed, and drivers should also learn from their past mistakes and ensure that this president, they must obey the traffic laws. The driver should obey the traffic laws, and the police should ensure that whosoever that is caught as an offender should be dealt with.
These new S-men who are trying to control the traffic, I really appreciated the idea, and I don't really know there will be differences between this present one and the past one, because the present ones from Airport Road, the way they address people, the way they talk to people, it really shows that they have some proper orientation, and they should keep up with that. At least it will yield a beneficial result, both the drivers and every individual. The state government to still give them more empowerment, more training, the way to approach drivers, because many of we are the driver, we have not been to primary school. So our characters are various. The way they approach the drivers should also, they will coordinate themselves. But they should stop the issue of bribe. That bribe is just the problem of this state. If they stop collecting bribe, if you commit offense, they will treat you according of the offense committed by you. But if they should start it by collecting money, like say Obaseki say, like what they are intimidating us with this private task force, they will collect say 50,000 for us, 30,000 for us. Say Obaseki say, that kind of administration is not encouraging.
No doubt the expectations are high, given that they were well trained and prepared to do the job. It's also expected that members of the public respect traffic rules and regulations. I am Ifoma Igwe. Good morning.